Hi guys, so today I'm doing a review video for this black chrome pigment that's from Born Pretty Store. So you can see it comes in this little jar. It did have a seal over the top as well to stop anything falling out. You get it in this cute little pouch, and of course you get a sponge tip applicator as well. Now I did read that they recommend you apply this over a black gel polish base. So I have my nail ready here. It's just had its second coat cured in the lamp. I've not removed the tacky layer and I'm going to burnish in the powder. I'm now just going to apply top coat and cure it in the lamp. So that's it now out the lamp after curing. Now I think it has given a really nice effect just like that, but I did notice that they said you can repeat this step until you're happy with the finish. So I'm just going to be really curious and apply another layer and then re-top coat just to see how it changes the effect on the nail. So that's it now come out the lamp for the second time. I have to say, in my opinion, I don't think you need to do a second coat. The effect's no different to the first. All you've done is essentially use more powder. So certainly I see that as a very good positive, that you only need to do one coat to get the black chrome effect on your nails. I'll leave the link down below to where you can find this item for yourself. There's also a 10% off code if you'd like to use that, feel free. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.